Y'all see me, I'm down here at Bella, man. Today is that day. I'm showing the car off, you feel me? Y'all finna see everything. Y'all ready? Let's get to it then, baby. Alright, YouTube, so here she is. I get to see the full product, the wheels, everything. So say hello to Candy. I done gave her a name. I couldn't think of anything else besides Candy, man. Let me spin that cat, baby. Rucci. Look at that color though. Like, what else got named this car besides Candy? I mean, that bird looks so sweet. You feel me? Now, I know it's a lot of die-hard third-gen fans out there, but you know, this was my vision. A lot of y'all feel like these cars shouldn't have no big rims on them, but that look good to me, man. You can't even hate on that. Look at that. I ain't do too much. 24s tucking nice and neat. You know, factory struts on the front. I did air shocks on the back. Check out my other videos. I got prepped for 24s, a part 1, 2, and 3. See what all I had to go through. There was a lot of cutting, a lot of hammering and beating, but it turned out perfect, man. Look at that, with the matching steering wheel too, baby. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Look how everything just flowing. I got black resonated tips on the back. Give my exhaust like a deeper rumble. Y'all see it. I can show y'all a before and an after video on how it used to sound. Look, check it out. This is the before video. This is how it sounds with the new tips on there. So I mean, to me, that's a difference. Like even when I accelerate, when I pull off, it has a good little rumble to it as well. So I feel like it made a big difference, man. Sound a whole lot better. You know. Got my YouTube, Instagram decal on the back. See how everything just flowing though, man? The white, the red, the blues. How everything mixing on the back. With the license plate, with the tail lights, man, you know. You gotta coordinate, I told y'all. Make it all work together. You feel me? Inside popping. I put a tablet up here on my dashboard. Detaches, come right off with the little magnetic tablet, cell phone, dashboard holder. The little metal tab on the back. You know what I mean? So I had to do this. This was like to make sure that when I'm playing my music, man, we out here slapping. Can't nobody call my phone and mess up my Bluetooth. You feel me? Like, you know how you banging, your phone ring, and then you hear ringtone through your damn sounds. So we ain't doing that, man. No interruptions. And that boy, you know, that's cold. So everything came together good, man. Let me show y'all the trunk. Check out my Cadillac lift I got on there. Y'all see that, man. Rockford Falls Gate, 1-channel amp with the sundown 10-inch sub. Got the boy name on the box. You feel me? Oh man, look at that. Look at my decal hitting, showing a little shadow down there. That's cold-blooded too. Look at that. Wish it was a real, actual effect, like a light beaming down, showing my name. That'd be cold, man. But I want to get me a box made for this trunk. I want to get 2 10-inch sundowns back here, you know, and get my name actually built into the box with the blue light hitting up that boy, something like that. I just can't find no good box builder here in the Detroit metro area, but it's coming. Stay tuned in. I'm finna upgrade. I need to get more interior sound. I need to get a little more bass back here. So stay locked in for that, man. I'm gonna put some more audio work in on this boy. But like I said, boy, she look good. Look at Candy. See how that paint kind of flipping? I don't know if y'all can really see it, man. Got the little red velvet pearl. It's hitting on there. Purple, blue. That boy nasty. With the red calipers, slotted rotors, halo headlights, blacked out grill. You can still see my Camaro in the background, functional fog lights. Yeah, man. She came out good, like I said. So make sure y'all stay tuned in. Got a lot more content coming. I'm hitting car shows. I actually already went to one about a week ago. I got footage from that. Check out this Cadillac clothes too, man. Y'all see it. 92, you better get you one. Anniversary edition, baby. Yeah, y'all see it. So, like I was saying, man, stay tuned in. Got a little more to do with the car. I'm actually finna get ready to upgrade my charging system in here. I've been using that cigarette lighter. Let me show you this real quick. I've been using this cigarette lighter trying to charge up my cell phone and my tablet with this little adapter piece right here, which do not work at all. It just keep it from dying. Like, it'll hold whatever percent on your phone, but it won't charge it up. So I got a full USB. It has 2 USB outlets, and I'm gonna install it right here, so y'all see, man. Video coming soon. I better subscribe and lock in right now. You feel me? Waiting for that part as we speak. Waiting on UPS slow self. Anyway, that boy looking good, man. So here it is. Like I said, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Those of y'all who have been around from day one, waiting to see this, man, here it is. So we finna have fun. Now we finna go on tour. I'm finna take this boy on the road and let everybody see it who wanna see it, man. We out here. We finna go cruise. I'm finna go hit Belle Isle. I'm hitting downtown Detroit. We cruising. Let's get Candy some love, man. Drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe to my channel. Y'all already know, man, all that YouTube stuff. So thanks for watching. Make sure y'all stay locked in, baby. Let's get to it.
She crazy, my nigga, yeah, she play my nigga.